The room data can be downloaded to the locks by using the lock programmer. Now, introduce how to download the data from the lock programmer to the locks. Press the key of function to start the lock programmer. Press the key of function 2 times until download lock data displayed on the screen. Press the key of operator, entering room number displayed on the screen. Input the room number 1101. Press the key of operator, then downloading displayed on the screen. Aim the lock programmer at the door lock induction area. You can listen the sound notice, and you can see red and green light is flashed display. Change the state of the deadbolt switch one time. Download data successfully. Sound notice be given. Download all the room's data to locks according to the directions please. After downloaded the room data from the lock programmer to the locks, it's necessary to download the time and date to the locks. Press the key of function to start the lock programmer. Current time and date will be displayed on the screen. Press the key of operator. Then download time is flashed display on the screen. Aim the lock programmer at the door lock induction area. You can listen the sound notice and you can see download complete displayed on the screen. Time and date download successful. You can calibrate the lock clock with this function. Now, introduce how to make the guest card by using the software. Click Guest Card. Entering the room state check interface. The room state are displayed with different colors. 6 buttons on this interface. Write card. The function is issuing the guest card. Read card. Read the card information. Check out. Check out without guest card. This function is mainly for guest card be lost. Exit. Close the interface. Change room state. There are 6 room states to be selected. This function is mainly for changing the room state after checking out. Write off. The card will become a blank card after write it off. Now introduce how to issue guest card. Click the button Write card. Or double-click the room number. Arrival time. The default arrival time is the current system time. Select the option Reserve, is issuing reservation card. You need to input the arrive time. Input days, 1 day default. Input the guest information. Finished. Click Select the function room. If you select the room 1108, the guest card can open the function room. Finish setting. Click Write card. Place one RF card on the card placed area of card issuing machine. Guest card issue success. Lock has an exterior door handle capable of a free turning movement. Unlock the door without sliding key card. Handle has a free turning movement. This kind of design protect mechanical components and increase the serviceable life of locks. Now let me show how to unlock with the card key. Slide card key. You can listen the sound notice and LED light flashed display. Turn the door handle during the LED light flashed display. The door will be open.